Hey everyone, this is Divya from Tabudingu Foodies. Today I'm gonna share healthy, wholesome, protein-packed beetroot kebabs. These kebabs are soft, delicious and full of flavor. They are perfect for tea time, lunch boxes and as a party snack. You can use them as a patty for your burger or wrap or add them in your salad bowl to make it more filling and satisfying. So if you are new here, make sure to like, share and subscribe and let's get started. Into a blender or food processor, add around 1.5 cup oats and grind them fine to make oat flour. Now add 1 cup of roughly chopped beetroot, around 150 grams of roughly chopped paneer, about 1.5 tablespoons of roughly chopped ginger, 2 medium-sized green chilies or add red chili powder instead, 1 cup fresh mint leaves. If you want, you can replace them with coriander leaves. Add half teaspoon garam masala powder or any curry powder you like, half teaspoon cumin seeds, half teaspoon fennel seeds, and 1 teaspoon salt. Blend it one more time till everything is well combined. And the kebab mixture is ready. Take small portions of the mixture and shape them into patties. Heat a pan on low to medium flame, add a little oil, and cook the patties on both sides until golden. And the beetroot kebabs are ready. I like to enjoy these kebabs with a fresh salad. Topped with my favorite yogurt dip. I'll link this dip and a few more of my favorites in the description. Do check them out. They are tasty, healthy and very easy to make. These kebabs also work well in pita wraps. Just add some leafy greens, your favorite sauce and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you've never tried protein-packed beetroot kebabs, you should definitely give this recipe a try and let me know in the comment section how you liked it. As always, you can find the written recipe in the description below and make sure to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon. Happy eating. I'll see you next time.